Guys, use this sound and make about your dream base in Steel Arena. First floor, my dream base is a rainbow ketchupat, lava spaghetti toaletti, galaxy la secret, diamond tang tang color tang with taco, bubblegum, sombrero, crab wave and glitch goldless combinations, egg bakery and eggery with taco and bubblegum trade, bloodrod garama, candy cappuccino moby, rainbow griffin, and a radioactive Los Secolitos. Hydra Dragon, Lava Los 67, a Diamond Burger and Fayuro, a Diamond and Brazilian Trade Love and Rose, a Divine Wrangling Bus, a Cursed Cerberus with Fire Trade, and a Divine Cerberus with Hollow Trade. And for my third floor, I want a Strawberry Elephant, Meow, Strawberry Elephant, not Strawberry Elephant, Meow, Skibbity Toilet, Headless Horseman, Yin Yang La Jolly Combination, Candy La Full Combination, Rainbow Cookie and Milky, Los Cupids Gold, and a Rainbow Tic Tac Sahur. Use this sound and talk about your dream base.